My video guide is about the new unwanted browser extension that is actually functioning as a browser hijacker. The extension is called Keypro. Keypro is a special extension that is designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The trouble with this extension is that it is often spread through fake browser update alerts. These fake alerts may come from random and deceptive websites. They may tell you about the need to urgently implement some browser update, but the extension actually works as a typical browser hijacker. In fact, the developers of this extension indicate that it changes your Chrome's default search. So, if this extension was added to your Google Chrome browser without your intention, you should, of course, urgently undertake the measures and remove this particular extension from the Google Chrome as soon as possible. So after this extension gets installed to Google Chrome, I will demonstrate to you what happens. You submit some search queries, and you may soon notice that the results would be delivered by some other search engines not chosen by you initially. Anyway, this is all the result of that extension in your Google Chrome browser. Often these extensions and these so-called search results are not really relevant. Often you see a lot of unwanted ads and sponsored links displayed, and definitely this distracts you very much. If you are not happy with such alterations, you should urgently implement the measures and remove this Keypro extension. Go to the menu, More Tools, Extensions. If you find this extension called Keypro, disable and remove it. This should fix the issue manually. But I also recommend researching your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then begin thoroughly researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.